Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students. Welcome back to my lecture. Today we would like to discuss on English first paper, class 11 and 12. Dear learners, in English first paper we are going to discuss about the passage Here is given the passage Coleridge's poem ... and find it nowhere. The passage is up to from here, Coleridge's poem dash and find it nowhere. Now we are going to exercise on MCQ questions. You know, you will have 5 minutes from MCQ questions. And now we are going to discuss the topic in details. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. You should bear in mind that you will have to answer or you will have to choose the best one from the alternatives. So, the first one is given, the word tributary refers to. The word tributary refers to, if you read the passage in details with meaning, you will find the root word tributary in the text. So, from the text now try to choose the best one from the alternatives. You know, from here given, first one is given fountain and next one is territory and then stream, after that kingdom. So, dear learners, if you read out the passage in details, I think it would be possible to you, or it would be easy for you to find it out the correct answer from the alternatives. So, we can say that the root word is given tributary, and now tributary is related to the word here stream. You know, stream is related to the word tributary. So, answer will be stream. Number B, the Buriganga water fills the air with dash. You know, if we read out the passage, if we read out the text in details, you will see the, you will be able to answer properly from, or to choose the best one from the alternatives. If you read out the passage, you know that Buriganga water fills with the air. That means the air related to the associated with the Buriganga is filled with, here is first one is given aroma and the second one is given fragrance, after that sting, then scent. So, we know that the water is filled with sting in the Buriganga. So, the answer will be sting. Sting here. The Buriganga water fills the air with sting, not scent or fragrance or aroma. If you read out the passage, you will know details about it. Okay, the next one, or the number C, dash founded their capital on the bank of the Buriganga. The students, you should bear in mind that first of all you have to read out the passage in details with meaning. You know, you should read out the passage knowing each and every words with synonyms and antonyms, and then you will be able to choose the correct one from the alternatives. Otherwise, it would be very much difficult for you to find it out the answer correctly. So, number 6 here, dash founded their capital on the bank of the Buriganga. If you read out the passage, you know that who founded the capital in the bank of the Buriganga, you will be easily able to find it out or to choose the correct one from the alternatives. If you read out the passage, we know that the British here is mentioned. First one is given the British, then the Mughals, the Indians, the Bengalis. So, we know that the answer will be here the Mughals. If you read out the passage, you will easily be able to find it out or choose the correct one or the best one from the alternatives. So, it is necessary and essential for you first of all to read out the passage critically and carefully, knowing each and every word of meaning related and associated with the passage. Then I think you will be absolutely able to answer properly in the script. Okay, yes. Okay, dear learners, next one is number D. You know, the best synonym of toxic is. If you read out the passage critically and carefully, you will find or you see the word text toxic. So, first of all, you should read out the passage carefully, then you should know the meaning of the word, each and every word related in the passage. What will be answer? Try to choose from the alternatives. You know, the first one is given poisonous. So, you should think about it whether it is related the root word toxic or not. You know that toxic or poisonous is a synonymous word. So, it may be here. So, the rest of the words are mentioned here, and try to gauge or find out the meaning of the words mentioned in the board. The next one is given hygienic. So, is it related to the, does it related to the word toxic, hygienic? I think not. So, it would be discarded. And then healthy, you know, healthy, the word healthy is not related to the word toxic. And useful, the next one, and the word useful also should be discarded from the text or from the word related to the text. That is why we can use the correct answer or choose the correct one from poisonous. You know, toxic is directly related to the word poisonous. So, the correct answer will be here poisonous. Dear students, in such a way you should study critically and carefully. First of all, you should read out the passage again and again and the questions again and again to make or realize the meaning of the questions, and just according to the question you should answer properly. Otherwise, it would be very much difficult for you to answer properly or choose the correct option from the alternatives. So, the next one or the last or final one is given. You know, you will have MCQ question, you will have 5 marks from MCQ questions, and also those who are examinees, this topic is very much important for them, because they will have 10 marks from the topic. So, the topic bears significance for the examinees especially. The students, the topics bears both for the first year or the second year, that means for the examinees especially, bears for the examinees significance much. So, we need to choose the last one from the last point, you know, number E. What could be the closest meaning for shape? What could be the closest meaning? You know, here closest, the word closest, superlative degree, close, closer, closest, the closest meaning for the word shape is the root word. If you read out the passage or you find the word or you see the word in the text shape. So, first of all, you should know the meaning of the word shape and try to match the alternative options, which one is correct. You should answer just according to the text. So, try to choose the best one from the alternatives. So, first one is given condition, and then form, and then model, then body. So, what will be answer? You know, shape is not related or matched with the word condition, and form maybe. So, the rest of the words try to match, you know, model. So, the model shape does not match each other, and body also is quite impossible to match or the root word. So, we can decide that the correct one would be form, shape or form. Here the correct one would be form. Dear students, in such a way you should study critically and carefully. First of all, what is the important one, what is necessary for you? first of all, you should read out the passage, you should accentuate, you should emphasize on the text. I think if you emphasize on the text, I think everything will be clear to you and apparent to you, and you would be absolutely able to answer properly in the script. There is no doubt about it. No more today. Thank you all. Thank you very much.